It's very important to talk about the Ministry of the Road. This ministry has got a different department, but for today I would really want to talk about Material Testing and Research Directorate, which is found within Machakos Roads, Nairobi, Kenya. Under this department, we have a resource center that is currently under revamping. The main aim is to have a resource center that will serve the purpose of the knowledge base. According to the administration, it's very important to know that under this resource center, we'll be able to have the material that can be used by the scholars or the researchers. It can be used by the engineers who really want to advance their education, with a few questions for the training, and even in regard with the CBC, the competent-based, this can be one of the biggest resource centers that can be used by the TVET sector to provide a platform for their learning. And the department is currently pursuing, they want to digitalize these services. And we've seen the reclassification. Under this resource center, we have progress reports for different projects under the ministry and after the inaugurations of the road authorities, Kenha, Kura and Kenha. There are different roads progress report that can be studied by the scholars so that they can come to a conclusion on how to strengthen our road infrastructures. Actually, there are also design reports. There are also some great books that are written that can be used as a research center. And I'm looking forward to be part of the team, part of the history that will see this section grow up to be international. I know the scholars, universities, different universities will be able to use these facilities to conduct their studies. Currently, we are automating it. We have a reading area with a complete number of computers. We have internet, and some of our reports are already in online, and we are looking forward to a point whereby people will be able to access them for their own studies. So, to be sincere, this is one of the resource centers that will not really serve Kenya, but it will serve even Africa at the time. So for people who want to learn, want to know about the material, want to know about the roads, want to know why sometimes payment fails, it's very important that you make MTRD, a resource center, your friend into your home of research. We have reports, the design report. We have some crazy research report on some material that can be used on the road. All this only can be found in the MTRD. So it's very, very crucial. It's a one step by step. It's a process. We are not yet there, but we have made a baby step. There's a website that runs. There's some material that are already been uploaded, but we are in the process of uploading even the progress report so that someone can really understand at every stage of the road the activities, the cost implications, and the impact that such activity had with the local people and the country at all. So it's very, very important. So for the engineers, for the technical guys who are looking forward to perfect their skills, and more so through the Technical Society of Kenya. If there is something like that, it should be a domicile in material department, because we have a lot of report from pavement performance evaluation, technical research. We have reports on pavement structures. We have various reports. We have feasibility reports. We have design report. We have geometric report or report. Again, how did I find myself into this section of a resource center? I came in as a very junior, came in as a technician, because initially I'd done a grade test. Material department is the only government division, directorate, that is allowed to train, test, and give certificate to material technicians. That serves most of the material technicians that you see around in our road construction are from material. So I've done the test, got absorbed, and I've moved, I've grown to now I'm currently at technologies. So I came in order to help in the revamping and to automate the material section. So it's very important that if you want a good technician who is well trained, they are normally tested and certified the MTRD. Very efficient, they are very competent, they know what they do. And some of them are also good, are able to understand the RDM and the specs, the material specification. Material Testing and Research Division has got different regions. We are spread in different regions. We have Mombasa, we have Kisumu, Eldoret, Garissa, different, and there are well-equipped laboratory equipment that can be used to carry out a different test. Actually, authorities like Kenya, Kura, and all that can effectively use these regional labs. They have competent workers, they have machines, and I know with this we are able to serve Kenya wholeheartedly.